Hello? Hello, hello, hello? This is Hattie's grandma. I'm so sorry.
Oh crap, I'm supposed to be fighting.
Yes, you are.
I can't fight with like this. I'm kind of...
It's okay. I can finish off things for you.
Be careful, the batteries will fall out.
Oh, okay. Beep, beep, beep.
Hold on. I gotta introduce you.
Oh, really?
This is Autumn,
Hi!
the newest member of Nya TV.
Woo! Also known as Angel's Curse here on YouTube, so, yeah.
Don't do it.
No! Come on! They're amazing! I mean, seriously, they're, like, with me in my room, and my best friend, and we were just talking about random stuff like
Okay,
that, and...
I think I have to cut this video off.
Oh, dang, that sucks.
Because the batteries are, like, annoying me. Alright, bye people of YouTube.
Bye, peace out.
Help me, G.
Help me, G!